White portable wall printer instructions. Please search the official website for details. Section 1 covers the tools. Step 1. Install tools. First, introduce the installation tools. Screwdriver, hex and belt retainer. Step 2. Instrument parts. Instrument parts are power cable, data cable, bracket setting screw, and a MIDI level, transfer belt, the display screen, keyboards, mice and other devices. Step 3. Consumables. Printing ink, cleaning fluid, syringe ink blotter, spare ink set. Step 4. Spare parts. Line up and set aside the ink tube. Step 5. Install the parts. Pulley extension bracket, monitor mounting bracket, host print small scooter. Section 2. Installation process. Step 1. Install the bracket. Take out the transmission belt and cable. After straightening, finishing and flattening, take the folding rack. Fix the one under the bracket first. Set screw. Pay attention when fixing. Anchor the steel strip to the middle of the joint. After the front and rear, bring the belt along the other side of the bracket. After fixing the conveyor belt steel plate, put the support up. Reattachment support. Set screws at the fold. Secure the cable track to the bracket. Assemble the ground rail. Install pulley first. Screws in connecting retainer. Step 2. Machine assembly. Put the main engine in the cart. Connect the navigation cable. Pay attention to the plug holes. Connect USB port. Install the monitor stand. Test stability after fixing. Remove the screen screws. Attach the display to the stand. Install screen below. Round hole power supply plug. VGA video cable. Interface the other end. Plug it into the mainframe. Connect the power cable to the host. Install the rail support. Put the top screw first. Stick in a gap in the track. Tighten the lower fixing screw. Finally, tighten the upper screws. Fully screwed. Test the stability of the scooter. Finally, install the tray table. Install wired or wireless mouse and keyboard. Step 3. Access the ground rail. Put the cart on the ground track. Move left and right to check for any blocking or abnormal noise. Test the belt, whether loose or not. Next, install the ground rail belt. First, take out the belt retainer. Place belt retainer in bracket. Measure belt retainer and the outer distance of the track. The measuring distance is 20 centimeters. Then tighten the belt retainer screws and fix the transmission belt. Note that the smooth side of the conveyor belt faces up. Then the belt is inserted into the transmission gear. Tighten the belt retainer on the other side. Pay attention to belt retainer distance from the outside of the track. Step 4. Install ink. Wear disposable gloves. Pour in ink of the same color in turn. After inking, place the ink blotter on the nozzle. After sucking the air out of the nozzle, wiping nozzle. Step 5. Debug the printer. Measure the distance between the ground rail and the wall. Measuring distance is 27 centimeters. Note the distance between the two sides of the track. All the same, measuring the distance between the rail and the wall. It is about 24.5 centimeters. Pay attention to the top and bottom. The distance has to be measured. The error should not be greater than 5 millimeters. Mounting bracket for raising the ground rail pulley. After fixing the ground rail, place the mini level. Put it on the ground track. Check the ground track for balance. Note whether the bubbles in the level are centered. Check the limiter. Is it near the white iron sheet? Whether the white iron sheet is loose. When you're done, you can boot test. Next is the print head controller. The function of the first one is the forward button. The second is the back button. The red circle is for the print head. Wall distance sensor. The arrow marks wall distance sensor switch. The switch is in the off state. The sensor is disabled. Back key and auto back. After opening, the sensor is on and enabled. Back key and auto back. Turn off the wall distance sensor. Switch, press the forward button. Move the printer head inside. 3 millimeters on the wall. Daily after the ink can be. Use ink blotter on recoil head. Open beta printer. If not English interface. Here is switching instruction. Administrator password 666888. Change the language to English or Russian. Test machine below. Whether there are abnormal sounds up and down. Remember to hit the reset button when the test is complete. Next, test the nozzle line. After setting, place the paper gently on the nozzle. Observe the integrity of the 6 lines. If there is a broken line, please blot in the second time, and continue testing until the lines are complete. Section 3. Printing process. Step 1. Open Photoshop. Convert the printed image to CMYK mode. Save the images as TIFF. Step 2. Open UltraPrint. New canvas. Import the finished image. Rotate picture direction. Corresponds to the print head direction. Step 3. Print the canvas. Open beta printer. Find the finished canvas and click to print. Our printer is printing. The ink dries quickly during the process. And our portable wall printer. Printing height up to 3.5 m. No limit on weight. Thank you for watching.